Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Combat Evolved on Android. We will cover the various approaches to bring this iconic title to your mobile device. You will learn about the essential setup, including hardware specifications like a minimum of 4 GB of RAM and software configurations needed for smooth gameplay. We will also discuss how to choose the best controller for an authentic experience, ensuring you are ready to jump into action. One primary method involves streaming Halo Combat evolved from a powerful personal computer directly to your Android device. This requires robust PC emulation software capable of running the original Xbox title. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection, preferably a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to minimize lag. A dedicated gaming router can further enhance your connection, providing a smoother and more responsive gameplay session on your mobile screen. Another excellent way to play is through cloud gaming platforms. These services allow you to stream the game directly from their servers to your Android device, eliminating the need for a powerful local computer. A strong, low-latency internet connection, ideally with speeds exceeding 25 megabits per second, is crucial for a seamless experience. Always review the specific subscription requirements and device compatibility for each cloud gaming provider to ensure Halo Combat Evolved is available. To truly optimize your Halo Combat Evolved experience on Android, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller. This provides a familiar, console-like feel, significantly improving precision and control. Additionally, experiment with the in-game graphics settings to find the perfect balance between visual quality and smooth performance on your specific device. Ensure your Android device has at least 2 GB of free storage for game files and updates, and always optimize your network settings for minimal lag.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.